Hi guys, welcome back. If you want to try Linux, Ubuntu or any other operating system on your Windows 11 PC but you don't want to risk your main system, this video is for you. Today I will show you how to install VirtualBox on Windows 11 step by step in a very simple way. So first open your web browser and here you need to search for VirtualBox. At the very first result, you will see the official VirtualBox website. So just click on that link and once the website opens, you can see the download options over here. So at the time of recording this video, VirtualBox 7.2.4 is the latest release. Okay, so simply just click on the download button. Here you will see a different platform options like Windows, macOS, Linux and Solaris. You can choose the option based on your operating system you are using. But in this video, I will show you the steps specifically for Windows. So click on Windows host and the download will start automatically. Here you need to wait for the file to finish downloading. Once it's done, go to your download folder. Now double click on the VirtualBox setup file. The VirtualBox 7.2.4 setup window will open. Here you just click next. Then in the end user license agreement page will appear on the screen. Here simply read the terms and select I accept the terms of the license agreement and click next to continue. On the custom setup screen, we are going to leave everything as default. So no need to change anything here. If you want, you can change the installation location where VirtualBox will be installed. But this is completely optional. Once you are done, simply click on next. Now you will see a network warning message like VirtualBox needs network access to run virtual machines properly. So your internet may disconnect for a few seconds during installation, which is completely normal. So just click yes to continue. Once again click on yes here. On this custom setup screen, you can see VirtualBox will create the required shortcut, including a shortcut on your desktop. But I don't need to change anything over here, so I'll simply click on next. Now you are on the final confirmation screen and everything is ready now, so click on install, which is going to start the installation of VirtualBox. At this point you need to wait for the installation to complete. Okay, so once the installation is complete, you will see a finish screen. Make sure Start Oracle VM VirtualBox is checked, then click on Finish. If everything is installed correctly, VirtualBox will open automatically on your screen. You can also see the VirtualBox icon on your desktop here. You should now see the VirtualBox Manager window, which means VirtualBox is successfully installed on your Windows 11 PC. Now, if you want to create a new virtual machines for any operating system like Linux, Ubuntu, macOS or even another version of Windows on VirtualBox, you will first need to download the ISO file of that operating system. So once you have the ISO file ready, you can create a new virtual machine inside VirtualBox and select that ISO file during the setup process. Okay. Now, before we finish this video, there is one important step that I strongly recommend you to do. That is installing the VirtualBox Extension Pack. Without this extension pack, many features like USB support, webcam access and better device compatibility may not work properly. So let's install it now. Okay. Once again, open your web browser and go back to the VirtualBox official website. Once the page opens, you need to just click on download. On the download page, you will see an option called VirtualBox Extension Pack. You need to make sure the version number matches the VirtualBox version you just installed. Just now I have installed VirtualBox 7.2.4. The extension pack should also be 7.2.4. Once confirmed, click on the extension pack link to download it. Here you need to wait for the file to finish downloading. No need to install it right now. Okay. Now open Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. At the top, you need to click on File, then go to Tools and then click on Extension. Here you will see the Extension Manager window. Now click on the Add Install icon on the top. Next, browse to your download folder and select the extension pack file you just downloaded. Once selected, click on Open. Here it says you are about to install a VirtualBox extension pack. Just click on Install. Now you will see the license agreement. Take a moment and scroll down. Then click on I agree. So within a second, you should see the extension pack listed with the same version number as VirtualBox. This confirms that the extension pack is installed correctly. And now your VirtualBox setup is fully complete. You can now create any virtual machine inside this VirtualBox. So that's it guys. You have successfully installed the VirtualBox along with the extension pack on Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.